Ayush Admission Central Counseling Committee, that is AACCC, has just released another notification regarding the physical spot round for PG seats under the All India Institute of Ayurveda in Goa for the academic year 2024 and 25. So the as per the notification that has been released, what they have told is, in the view of the permission issued to All India Institute of Ayurveda Goa by NCISM on 5th 11 2024, that they have also issued 10 all India quota PG seats. Okay, so for these all India quota PG seats, there is a physical spot registration from 29th November to 7th of the December. This process is going to be taking place. Okay, so what they have told, I'll just tell you the eligibility criteria later on, but first we will see like how it becomes eligible. To become eligible to participate in the physical spot round, candidates need to opt the central university or the national institute as per the selection of the counseling on the AIPGT portal. That you have to go into the AIPGT portal and then you have to select it. Okay, for the registration unlock facility for the same is available on the portal during the schedule from 26/11 to 28/11/2024. That is, the registration will start from 26 to 28. So the counseling fee for the participating in the physical spot round for general EWS, OBC, that is non-creamier, is 22,000 rupees, and for SC, ST, and PWD category, it is 21,000 rupees. So they have also issued the number of seats. That is, there are 10 number of seats, and the departments in which they are going to give the seat has been also mentioned. So now in the department of Agada Tantra, there are a total three seats, but two are for general merit and one is for the OBC category. Then Ayurveda Samhita and Siddhanta, one seat for SC and one for economically backward class. So total number of seats are two. Then coming to Kriya Sharira, one is for OBC and one is for uh, physically PWD category. Total two seats are there. For Rachana Sharira, for there are two seats, and for Rasa Shastra and Vaishya Kalpana, there is one seat under the category of OBC. Now, they have given the schedule for online physical spot round counseling and admission. Okay, so you have to submit the undertaking and willingness through the email. So there is undertaking what they have attached with this. You can go through this. Here you all have to fill your name and all the things, that which department, what is your roll number, which category, all India rank, and the subject preference you have to fill it. Okay, this you have to mail on the website that they have given, 11 p.m. till 11:55 p.m. on 30th November 2024. So the processing of the seat allotment will be done from 1st December to 3rd December, and the result will be announced on 4th December. The reporting will begin from 2 p.m. of 4th December to 4 p.m. of the 7th December itself. So, what another thing they have mentioned over here is the reporting and the admission will be there even on the holidays, as the counseling time is very less what they have been mentioned. Now the eligibility criteria has also been mentioned over here, that is newly qualified candidates who have after the reduction of the minimum qualifying cutoff percentile, as there was reduction in the qualifying marks. The children who have been qualified after that can also participate into this. The candidates who have not registered on the AACCC portal, PG portal, but have not secured any seat allotted through the state or UT counseling 2024. The students, that means who have not registered in AACCC, but they had registered in state counseling, but they have not got any seat in state or UT counseling, they can also register participate into this. Then the candidates who have not got any seat through central, state, or UT counseling can participate into this. Okay. Candidates whose name has not been reflected in the ineligibility criteria list that has been issued published on 21st 11 2024 on the AACCC PG portal can also participate in this. Okay. Eligible registered candidates who wish to participate in the physical spot round are instructed to submit their willingness come undertaken that I've shown you before to the institute via the ID, that is PGIR admission at the rate gmail.com within the time, speculated time that has been given. Okay. Now, what are the reporting rules? If the candidates gets allotted in the allotted seat in the physical spot round, he or she must join. Otherwise, they will be, ineligible for the further counseling for 2024. Along with their money will not be returned back. You know then if any candidates who has got allotted seat and has given wrong information, his seats, that is whatever the prior seat that he'll get and what he has got, along with the seat that he'll get if he gets in this round, both the seats will be cancelled. So no wrong information shall be entertained. Along with that, the money which has been deposited will not be given back. So this is the new thing what has been mentioned by the AACCC PG counseling notification has been given. So